Hey guys, in this video we are going to know how to create a page which carrying many links with it, okay, and it is like unlimited and free, okay, but free are not so good, but there is a tool which is free and it is like unbelievable, okay, it's amazing tool, okay. So first just type wait sec. So yeah, so just type first on Google Linktree, okay, link.tree, oh I'm sorry, linktr.ee, okay, this is the link. I know it's a weird link, okay, but okay, no problem. So now I am signed in. You can just get started for free. It's and you can log in, okay. So and if you have an account, so you can log in. I know you don't have it, so you can create, and then just you are going to enter this page. Wait a sec. Yeah, you are going to come up in this page, okay. Now here are some of the links which are very important, okay. So now look, it will be blank for you, and then there is nothing background or I don't know, okay. So now it's a simple page where you can add from, okay, and I'm trying it's okay. Now I'm going to say a description type of part or disclaimer type of part that these tools are not like I'm watching someone's video and I know I learned how to do it and all of that stuff and just picking, copying, cutting and pasting on this channel. Not that thing. I am working I'm working and I just support that a big amount of IT, full amount of IT work of SIA's the branding academy, okay, and I work fully in the IT sector, okay, and that's why I use many of the tools and I pick the best one for you. I used it from a very long time and all of that stuff, and I know that this works, and then I'm telling you, okay, and this tool I just found it from like I just searching and I got it, okay. So it's not like I'm watching someone's video and just pasting here, okay. So this is not, and don't go in my age, okay. Age doesn't matter, okay. Just consume this content and implement it, okay. So now let's resume it. So now first if it's blank for you, okay, so click on add new link and just type here, okay, just type what you want to. I just type join our silver membership. Wait a sec, silver membership, okay. Now I'm entering the URL. Yep, so I just copied my link, I'm pasting it on here, okay. So now it's added. I just click here beside in the background, okay. So it's now this comes over here, you can see, okay. So it's amazing. Now just type amazing in the comment box, okay. So now let's get into our I want to do it in like down from our VIP group join, okay. So it will automatically just drag and drop, okay. You can just do up and down, okay, all of that things. So I just add it on here, and these are my some affiliate links, okay. So yeah, and now I got my link, okay. It's a page link, okay. So you can just, this link will help you, and it's the linktr.ee your name, what you added your name, that username will slash @ what your username, okay. So now if you go to appearance, you can have some like what's it now, the sprays themes, bloom theme, Miami theme, okay, mint theme, it's Miami, yes, it's Miami, smoke, nor moon, snow, all of that stuff. Okay, so now custom appearance, you can see it's pro and all of that stuff. Okay, I want to show you the link, so this link is also in the description, so you can check out. Now you can see the background, the links, no redirection, just click and you are in the page. Okay, so now we are going to sign up free. I'm just clicking on this button. Okay, so now just enter your email. So what I can add my work email. Okay, and the username. Okay, sorry, I forgot to do that. @com@gmail.com, and okay, so username part is here, so you can choose it. So now I just add the Shubh. Okay, and just okay, Shubh is taken, so we will take digital Shubh. I don't think so it will be taken. Okay, it also, so I just add underscore. Yes, it's now password. I just type a password. Oh, sorry. Yeah, and now here also. Okay, now register. So you can just add your name. I'm just adding, my name is Shubh. I save it. Okay, and you can use this, tell us about yourself and all of that stuff. So now I just add influencer tag. Okay, and internet technology and something else. Okay, no, okay, so I'm not a robot. Save details. Now the username part also covered. Okay, so no tension in creating it. Okay, so I hope you like this video, so please smash that like button, and if you're watching it on Facebook, then give me that lover symbol, and just share it. Bye bye, take care, I'm signing off.